May it be lomi, miki, or sotanghon soup, it's the soup that matters. It has to be made right. Join us here on Channel 1. Manang Grace will show us how. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook, and share. Join me and my Manang Grace here at my little kitchen. Hello! Warm welcome to Channel 1. Naimbag nga malamyo apo.
Naimbag nga malamyo.
Yes, good afternoon. We just came from the garden. Naglamis. It's cold. We cannot work there. That's why we were fancying soup, vermicelli soup. Or is it sotanghon soup, Manang?
Yeah.
Manang Grace will be cooking today. She will be sharing us her secret. Anya na Manang?
I use only a little bit ingredients and it's nagkimas.
Yes. Just by using small ingredients. It's the way how she mixes it. That's why stay with us. Manang Grace will be showing us how to make this simple sotanghon soup even tastier. Di ba, Manang?
Yeah.
Wow. Sige.
Sige. Dati yan. Bayan.
And there's a bonus pechay time lapse at the end. And while we serve and enjoy our sotanghon soup, let's rewind. I'll show you how this was made by my Manang Grace. It's nothing different from any regular soup recipe. It's garlic and onion. As in most stir fries, be generous with garlic and it has to be finely chopped like this. And the onions as well. And a glance of our prime ingredients: garlic and onion, prawn or shrimp, sotanghon, patis and chicken flavoring, and pepper. Let's start the stir fry, Manang. Can you tell them what exactly are we preparing today?
Well, I'm going to prepare a vermicelli soup with shrimp, and that's it.
And it's style a la Hong Kong or Philippines?
A la Philippines
Okay.
style.
I like it. Okay. No soya sauce, di ba? No soya sauce.
No.
Okay.
It's just a normal soup.
Good.
Filipino soup.
Notice that my Manang Grace place first the onions. It's a difficult angle here.
If it's a little bit transparent, the
And it's-
onion, then
And the onions
then
have
you
become a
to
bit
put,
translucent.
The garlic.
And now let's add the garlic.
We have to.
Stir fry. Observe closely because we are about to show the critical procedure in this recipe. Today, or Manang Grace is doing something new. Look what she's doing. This is to enhance the flavor to it. Chicken powder
Yeah, just a chicken pot. Just a little, not too much.
to make it aromatic.
Yeah.
This is to intensify the chicken flavor by infusing the oil with the chicken flavoring. Another critical step. Look how she saves a portion of the stir fry for later use. Stay with us. And now let's stir fry the prawn or shrimp or whatever you have, maybe pork or chicken. And let's add water. Preferably preheated or pre-boiled. And pepper, freshly cracked pepper, and patis, al gusto, according to your taste. Do you remember the pechay or paksoi I'm growing indoors? We're harvesting the third time now to add more color and flavor to our sotanghon soup or vermicelli soup. We don't want to overcook the shrimps or the prawn. They will become tough, so we're adding the sotanghon. That's what my Manang Grace is saying.
Hello.
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, yes. And there's something we have to add. I found it in my fridge.
Paimas, di ko.
Celery. White celery. It doesn't have to be cooked, so it doesn't matter when to add it. We're adding it last.
Look at that.
Just before the baksoy or the pechay, they don't have to be cooked, both of them.
So. And the last is the
And do you remember the portion of stir-fried garlic and onion we saved earlier? We're topping those now.
dapat paimas.
Watering down even to get all the goodness.
You can taste it.
And voila, it's now cooked. We're ready to serve.
Yeah.
Really satisfying sotanghon soup, perfect for hangover. Isabaw sa kanin and unlimited rice experience. There you have it, our very simple vermicelli or sotanghon soup, sharing it to the world. Thank you! Join us again next time as we bring you more flavors from the Philippines and from the world here on Channel 1, where we grow, cook, and share. See you on the next video. As promised, I'd like to leave you with the shot of our pechay growing in 4 weeks. We enjoyed their flavor, we also enjoyed watching them grow, and we're sharing them to you.